Hello, Rockstars. How you all?
Yes,
Hello,
hello.
coach. Our
How are you,
rockstar
coach?
coach.
Doctor, coach,
How you
coaches.
all?
Yeah,
Well,
great coach. Awesome.
bubbling with Indian energy,
Today,
full of
today, as
Energy.
you know,
excitement.
Mhm.
I'm excited. I'm also sad. That's
Okay,
because today's our last session.
yeah, it's the last one.
So,
I was adding that, but you said that it's okay. It's quite
yeah.
okay. So share your experiences, please. Each one of you.
Experience regarding our journey of
Yeah,
Incredible
yeah.
You.
The journey of.
Yeah, the experience is marvelous. I think I've achieved so many things through this program. My personality, that who I am actually, so many questions of mine has got just uncovered. It was, one by one layer. The way the program is structured has taken out amazing. The toxic people thing at the end coming up, the crazy dreams topic coming up, and the buzz movements. Oh my God, the way it has been taken, it was so beautiful. My favorite personal favorite activity is my empowering code activity. I just loved that one. I think I've become aware now when those negative beliefs come, and I now know how can I empower them. And my vision board, such a colorful one. I just loved each and everything so powerfully, coach. And coach, I'm really thankful to you for taking us
Thank you
through
so much.
this and guiding us through this journey. Really grateful to you.
Thank you so
Appreciate.
much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Uh, so what about you, Mr. Pradeep?
Oh, if I begin, it will be a long story, but I have to cut short because paucity of time.
No, no, you
So
can share.
all
You
the
can
things.
share. You can share wholeheartedly. Please.
So first thing that we came to know, who am I? There's a big question, who am
Yeah.
I? And that's where this personality test has revealed our true character, our nature. And I am my peacemaker. I really reflects with that report also. Secondly, we learn our baselines, our main belief systems. And thirdly, we learn the E codes, the powerful codes. And when we learn through went through the practice, that there are so many in codes are there. We are stumbling blocks in our career, and
Okay.
how we have seen that how we can
Yeah. How?
throwing it away. Every rubbish has been thrown from our life. Just in
Oh,
course and vanished. Only we
okay.
are with the e-course joy. We have the all powerful e-course, and we have just framed our future with these e-course. After
Okay.
that,
Okay.
yes, after that, what we did, we have power lifts. That whatever goals are there, set goals within 3 years, within 5, everything is crystal clear. I am just going to the track of my life. So after that, we made a vision board, which has we have just given a clarity of what we have to achieve, tangible, intangible, all the things, and
Yeah.
we will put it in our bedroom. So it will be reminded to every day that yes, these are my goals, these are my visions that we are doing. So abundance, energy has come in. We have got a great transformation. Now we're just a change personality. When if somebody just looks me that after this program, they don't believe that I have got so much transformation. How I got it? I tell that this coaching program has brought such a tremendous changes in my life. So that's the magic of this course. And really,
Thank
we
you.
are grateful.
Oh,
And we are grateful to you people also. So to
no, no,
carry
I
out our
haven't done
journey.
anything. I haven't done anything. See, uh,
Yes,
I showed the way. I showed my process.
yes,
All
definitely.
the
You
things were
showed the
done by you
process.
people. All the things were
Yes,
done by
yes,
you
definitely.
people because you took the initiative,
Right,
right? So
right. So that's my
that is you.
story.
The
And
world.
another thing is we have to bear the pain that we will not meet frequently in this way.
No, no, no.
We will be
Why
separated,
not?
but we will
Separate activity.
be connected through social media,
Yeah,
through
we'll stay
WhatsApp
in
group.
touch. Yeah, we'll stay in touch.
Yes, we will be in touch
Yes.
and we can exchange our views. Yes,
Sure, sure.
Uh,
Okay.
that is my wish that we should remain
Yeah,
on
definitely. We can stay in
connected.
touch. Yeah, yeah,
Sure.
definitely.
Yes.
So, so what commitment do you make? Both of you.
My comment. We are committed to stick to our principles. We are committed to carry forward all these things which we have gained, ingrained in our heart, in our life, and we shall show the result before us that yes, we have achieved this. We have set an example before other people in our family, in our society, in our friends. This is my
Yes,
commitment.
even I commit to whatever I've learned through this journey, I'll implement it and
Yes,
become the best version of who I am.
Okay,
right.
okay. Uh, so you know the fact is that even I don't want to leave this thing, but since the the program, but since the 10-week program is over, we got to leave right now. However, we shall stay in touch for sure, and
Yes.
I shall get together. Not an issue, not a problem. And since you have made a commitment, I am happy for you, and you have to
Mm.
just go through it. Just you have the vision board, right? So,
Yes.
Yes.
so what is your vision board actually, according to you?
What?
Uh,
A
what is the
vision
vision?
board?
Yeah.
A vision board is our vision board is something that is going to take us through the whole beautiful life of ours, the transformational life what we are going through the journey, and
Okay.
that is all the dreams covering that we have to achieve.
Okay. 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 So with that, we come to the end of this incredible journey, the incredible youth journey, and okay. So let's do a ritual, and then we can say
Yes,
goodbye to each other.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So I'll
So
count to three.
one,
1, 2, 3.
woo, rock
Ooh, rock
stars.
stars.
Rockstar. That was great.
Okay, thank
That was
Great.
you,
amazing. Yeah, thank
coach.
you
Thank
so much.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye. Okay, take
Bye
care.
bye. Bye bye. Take
Bye bye.
care.
Take care.
Get well.